Brightflow Air Washers offers innovative solutions for maintaining optimal air quality and temperature in manufacturing plants. Just as a flower thrives in a suitable environment, workers' productivity is significantly affected by their surroundings, particularly temperature. Research from the University of Chicago indicates that manufacturing facilities in India experience a revenue decline of approximately 2% for each 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature, leading to reduced efficiency, health issues, and increased absenteeism. Brightflow's approach involves customizing air cooling systems tailored to the specific needs of each factory. Their advanced evaporative cooling units take up 30% less space compared to competitors and feature an AMCA-certified centrifugal fan that delivers double the airflow with a single fan while maintaining high static pressure for effective long-distance cooling. The company also provides specialized cellulose pads that achieve up to 90% saturation efficiency for superior cooling performance. Additionally, Brightflow systems utilize non-woven HDPE media for air filtration, ensuring a healthier indoor environment. Notably, their energy consumption is significantly lower, up to 90% less than traditional air conditioning systems, while producing no greenhouse gas emissions. With representatives available nationwide, Brightflow ensures year-round support and access to spare parts. Their customized air cooling solutions not only enhance worker comfort and productivity but also lead to substantial energy savings, ultimately benefiting the bottom line of businesses. For a sustainable and efficient air management solution, Brightflow is poised to improve working conditions and operational efficiency in industrial settings.